Hello, my dear students. A very nice good morning to you. Welcome to our online class. Let's discuss the last class homework. Have you done? Let's discuss. Question number 1. Who was Janaki? Answer. Saint Janaki was the first handicapped girl to be the part of a successful team crossing the English Channel. Number question 2. How did Janaki become handicapped? Being struck by polio, she became handicapped. Number 3. When did Janaki struck by polio? Answer is in 1987, Janaki became handicapped. Question number 5. What was her idea as a child? Answer. As a child, she got the idea of trying to swim the English Channel. Question number 5. When did Janaki get the idea of trying to swim in the English Channel? The answer is Janaki got the idea of swimming the English Channel in her childhood. Question number 6. What did she do to fulfill her desire? Answer. She conveyed this idea to the English Channel Swimming Association. Number 7. What did Channel Authority reply to Janaki? Answer is the Channel Authority replied that two conditions have to be met before a swimmer is allowed to make an attempt. Number 8. Right. There are two conditions set by the English Channel Swimming Association. First one is the first condition set by the swimming authority was that the swimmer should be able to spend at least 10 hours continuously in water. The second condition was that by the swimming authority was that the swimmer should do marathon swimming. That is, he or she should be able to swim in the high sea for hours at a stretch. Question number 9. Where did Janaki start her training? Answer. Janaki started her training in Bangalore. Question again you can know. Question number 9. Where did Janaki start her training? Answer is Janaki started her training in Bangalore. Question number 10. Why did she start her training in Bangalore? Answer is she started her training in Bangalore to fulfill the conditions set by the Channel Swimming Association. Question number 11. How long did she continue her training in Bangalore? The answer is she continued her training in Bangalore for 4 years. Number 12. Who was Mr. Gopal? Answer is Mr. Gopal was an NS coach in Bangalore. Question 13. What certificate did Mr. Gopal give to Janaki? Answer is Mr. Gopal gave Janaki a certificate saying that he had seen her swim for 10 hours continuously. Number 14 question. Where is Malpe? Answer is Malpe is a coastal town in the Arabian Sea. Question number 15. How did Janaki go to Malpe? Answer. Janaki went to the coastal town of Malpe with the help of Thimaya National Academy of Adventure. Question number 16. Why did she go there? Answer. She went there to begin her training in the Arabian Sea. Question 17. Who was her coach there? Answer is. Her channel coach was Dinesh Varna there. 18. How long did she spend at Malpe? She spent there for 3 weeks. Question number 19. What did Janaki learn at Malpe? Answer is. At Malpe, she learned to spend long hours in the sea by swimming a minimum of 20 kilometers a day. Question number 20. What did Janaki do after returning to Bangalore? Answer is. After returning to Bangalore, Janaki spent her certificates to the Channel Swimming Association in England. Now let me tell now question number 21. Just see, question is, who contribute the money Janaki needed for the attempt? Answer is, the government, a few private agencies, and several friends contributed the money Janaki needed for the help, for the attempt. Question number 22. When did Janaki leave for England? Janaki left for England in the middle of 1992. Question number 23. Question is, what did Janaki do after reaching Dover? The answer is, after reaching Dover, Janaki began practicing in English Channel. Question number 24. Why were the officers of Channel Swimming Association shocked? Answer is, the Channel Swimming Association officials were shocked to see a physically handicapped person trying to swim in the English Channel. Now, question number 25. Question is, the phrase Thimaya National Academy of Adventure is a, the correct answer was Sports Training Center. Question number 26. The full form of NIS is National Institute of Sports. Question number 27. There is a word which means long distance range. Have you seen your glossary? Yes. Then you can say easily. That is, who can say? Yes, marathon swimming. Now, here is the activity that we have given in your last class. That is negative prefix. I think you have already completed. Still, there have a, you just check. Proper, improper, able, unable, essential, inessential, connect, disconnect, manage, mismanage, obey, disobey, honest, dishonest, valid, invalid, normal, abnormal, fit, unfit. Here is the answer of activity 2. Question was, Janaki was struck by polio in 1997. Is it true or false? False. Right. Correct answer is 1987. Number B. Janaki legs are useless. True or false? Yes, true. Number C. Janaki was the first woman to swim in the English Channel. True or false? True. No, it's false because Janaki was the first handicapped woman. This is the answer. Question number D. Janaki had begun training very hard before she attempted the channel. Is it true or false? Correct. True. And last one is an NS coach was Dinesh Suvarna. True or false? Yes. False. Because the NS coach was Mr. Gopal. Now here is another activity. You have to say the single word. I think you have already completed. Still, you can again check in your book. Question A is the narrow sea passage that separate England and France is called English Channel, right? Question number B causes an inability to move certain muscles is called? Yes, polio. Number C. Having the physical disability of not being able to walk is called handicapped. Right? Number E. Without stopping is called it's a stretch. Okay. Number D. Pull hard means I've already told you in the first line, first paragraph. Yes, that is dragged.